And Mike, hang on a second, guys. Give us a little narrative of what's happening right now. Where are we?
Mike, what time is it? The clock says 6 o'clock.
Wow, Michael Dorfman gets 4 points for that. Nice.
Dude, so we were gone for 10 hours.
10 hours, yeah.
We left just before 9.
About nine
And it's 6.
9.5 hours.
9.5 hours.
That's a big day.
That's a great day.
They go way back from
11 miles.
Haystack.
We summited the fake haystack and the real haystack. And we used
Fantastic.
ice axes.
We used our ice axes. It was the real deal. Brad, get in here for a little video shot. It was the real deal. We had a great day. Little hay.
Could be a giant light on that.
That's all right. Little hay, big hay.
Yeah, I'll go back and forth.
We rocked it.
Little hay, big hay, make hay. It was nice. I just may eat some hay.
Excellent.
So what are we doing now, buddy?
Skirt,
Skirt steak.
Skirt
Skirt steak.
Chimichurri.
Skirt steak. All right, so this is what it looks like. So you see it got dark on us. There was Josie. It got a little dark. We had to throw in our headlamps. We threw in our headlamps. I'm still wearing my crampons. But today would have been a good snowshoe day. There was a lot of snow up there. Is what's going on here? Frankie! Great time, buddy. This is back to Grace Camp, 2,300 feet. A monster day. An absolute monster day. Alright, see you all later.